Hey, I know that it's been a while, but I'm so happy to share these 2023 memories with you. Enjoy!
Round of applause. Say one.
These last months of 2023 were so full of movement, going to new places, trying new things, being open to a lot of experiences, and it filled my days really with the most fun. October has also seen the end of our second year as film students. We only have one last year left, and reflecting on it, I'm super grateful for the people around me, supporting me, and just really being in my everyday life. I'm working on a plan right now to come. Aujourd'hui, c'est la fin de la deuxième année, mais c'est aussi le dernier jour de Camilla avec nous. Et là, il y aura un petit edit des années avec Camilla. Mais anyway. Je suis à la musique. Halloween shopping! Halloween is just around the corner and I love the vibe. I've started this new tradition of celebrating Halloween with my friends, and I think it's one of the best decisions I've ever made. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've spent a lot of time with my sister this summer, enjoying things I used to enjoy when I was a child, going to the beach, driving around, and really just being with my big sister. It ignites something from my childhood that makes me so much good. I almost missed my flight on my way to California. If I close my eyes, I'll get there in no time. There's something about the silence. I'm sitting with strangers in a metal machine. Welcomes all the flashbacks, leaving room to only think. I like to pass the time. I don't know why I only cry in the sky. Mad. In October, I've also done a lot of things that I usually don't do. Solo movie nights, baking as I wished, but really just enjoying the coziness of home, the warmth of being with myself, the thrill I have, the happiness I have when we hit October and it's near Halloween. It's all fall-inspired things. I love it. Vlog de show. The entry song.
What's that?
Her entry song. C'est le vlog de show.
I'm moving up the street, ain't feeling my heartbeat no more, but I found my melody. I'll take one more, please, yeah. So I grab my teeth, ain't want to keep receipts. I said, I buried the old me, 6 feet under, in case you wonder. 6 feet underground, my lips sealed won't make a sound. I told you once, I told you twice, where I left those words in a past life. I'm moving too slow, I'll pick it up with some blue smoke. Guess I dug me a hole, got what you need in a rock and roll. To rock and roll, I said 10 white lines, got me feeling inspired, got me widening my eyes, better than blue. It's true, bruises glisten like blueberries. Situation like Henry is too hairy. Now I'm chasing a little bag, now no Burberry. Yeah, it ain't too late for this shit. No, no, yeah, yeah. I'm moving up this street, ain't feeling my heartbeat no more, but I found my melody. I'll take one more, please, yeah. So I grab my teeth, ain't want to keep receipts. I said, I buried the old me, 6 feet.
We spent the day doing some Halloween crafts with my godson and my sister, and he's so much fun. He understands so much what's going on around him, and really spending the day with him and my sister made this Halloween so much more special.
Bye bye, dis à tout à l'heure. So cute. Oh, you're doing
Halloween night is finally here, and I am so happy and grateful that my friends showed up, all costumed up. It was such a random, made up, in the moment tradition that I just wanted to create and keep, and it really made me so happy. I think that I love Halloween more than any other thing. Halloween is just my vibe, and somehow I just have this awesome group of friends who showed up ready to celebrate with me and hype me up. And it was the most precious thing ever. I'm so grateful.
Ouh, c'est trop chouette.
Elle est partie aux toilettes. Elle est folle. Donc en vrai, on a fini le film d'horreur à 23h. Et on est enfermés. Ils ont fermé le putain de truc. On est enfermés. Ouais, je reste. I've struggled a lot since I left my home about exactly feeling home. For a while I felt bad, but in creating this little tradition and being with my friends and feeling so good and homey, I realized that you don't really need 4 walls to build a home. All of this to say that I am really grateful to my friends, my family, my sister, boyfriend, myself mostly, and really the month of October for giving me so many beautiful memories that I will forever cherish. It was Sophie. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Take good care of you, be kind, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.